your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. So I end all my
pay one small penalty in the municipality and paint your house another color, but you have a problem with the neighbor, so your neighbor say why you paint your house red.
We just got to our room in Mykonos. We're staying at the Mykonian Korali hotel, and it's insane. It's so insane. I'm gonna give you a room tour. There's a little closet. Wow, we even get like a bag, like a tote bag. The lock is here, or the safety box, whatever. And oh, how do you open this? Oh, here. Our fridge is there, coffee maker, and here's the bathroom. The toilet's there. Our shower. We have like the rain shower, and this is like the sink area. And here is the main sleeping area, the bed. There's a meal. And our TV. Our luggages are just there. And it's nice, we have a little like sitting area and a desk. And then they gave us like these welcome treats and some wine. Yeah. And then, okay, open the doors for the view.
The best part.
The best part. So cool. We have the view of Mykonos town, and from here you can see like the 6 windmills down there, and the breeze is so nice, and we're only like a 15-minute walk from the town, so we're so excited to be here. And since we booked this through the American Express travel portal, we got upgraded to this room, and we got early check-in and late checkout, and we also got like a €140 voucher that we can use at the spa. So this is crazy. So we're so excited to be here. We just had stuff delivered to us at our room, and look what we got. We got this fruit platter and some like wine or champagne? I think it was champagne. And then some chocolates. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. We're at Saki's Souvlaki here in Mykonos, and we just got our food. Wait, this is so much. Yeah. Cheers. We're in Little Venice. We're gonna go walk down there.
A donkey.
Pita bread always, or dips always. What are these? Are these the same?
Tzatziki, and I don't know what that one is.
That's different. We haven't had like that before.
This one's like the garlic thing.
The fava or something? Fava?
No idea.
That's good. Good morning. It's our second day in Mykonos. I just got ready. This is my outfit. It's pretty cute. Woke up early so we can eat breakfast. And then later on we have a massage scheduled, so I'm excited for that. Yeah, we're gonna go eat. And I think it's just like a pretty chill day today. Look at the food. Whoa, whoa. Holy cow. Look at the honey. Got calamari from here. We got gelato. Last time in Greece, we got Kinder Bueno and pistachio, and we got like 3 different flavors.
How long has it been since we ate?
Morning time. Pretty good.
Pistachio is good?
Yeah. But I think the one in Venice was better.
Oh yeah?
The Bueno's good. I don't think I showed on the vlog yet, but me and Emil are matching. Look for one.